Jim from Cinco Ranch thinks he has a foundation problem.
Yeah, on a 20-year-old post-tension slab.
Okay.
Jim writes, I'm seeing ceiling cracks staggered following the where the sheetrock or the seams in the sheetrock.
Yep.
Yeah. They seem to have gotten worse recently. I visually inspected the outside of the house. There are no cracks in the brick or the foundation you can see. I plan to have the tile and sheetrock repaired, but want to determine first if this is a sign of a bigger problem. Is this just age-related?
No, it's not age-related. What it
Okay.
is, I think it's a framing issue. He's getting some sagging on the ceiling joists, and they're starting to let go. And the other thing is, whoever hung the sheetrock, if they didn't hang it properly on the ceiling and either double nail it or use screws, it'll loosen up from its own weight.
Yeah.
And with all the humidity we've had and all the rain, it's probably what it is, but I don't think he has a foundation. That is not a sign of a foundation problem.
So going forward to do the things he wants to do, like the tiles, okay. But what about fixing the cracks in the ceiling? Does he have to go down and scrape that all off? And
Well, he has to refasten the whole thing.
Okay.
Then you can tape and float it and texture it.
All right.
And paint.
And then write us with another question. We're here for you. Go ahead and visit HomeShowRadio.com. Send us your questions. Use that Ask Tom form. It's right there in the middle of the homepage. Fill it out. We'll take it and answer it either in another one of these daily Ask Tom videos, our weekly Facebook Live, or Sunday morning on Early Edition.